朝到而家肚屙咗8次。呢條路係勁多蜘蛛，我知嗰隻蜘蛛已經呢一程機係坐螺旋槳飛機，興奮啊！冇諗過呢架飛機上面有一半都係亞洲人。去啲細嘅國家呢，通常1-2個鐘嗰啲飛機呢，都可以會係螺旋槳飛機嚟嘅。簡單嘅飛機餐就係雞肉沙律。咗阿魯阿圖啦，而家出去啦。係 taxi yes。Where to? To Coconut Plum Resort.
2,500. This one.
Okay. 坐的士。到咗住宿啦，呢度就係我喺阿魯阿圖嘅酒店啦。而家即刻 check in 先。機場過嚟大概半個鐘左右。酒店有泳池。而家去緊我個酒店房，呢一間就係我嘅酒店房啦。呢度有個好奇怪嘅書台位可以沖嘢飲。呢度係廁所，呢個就係一個 double size 嘅床。本身話係單人床嚟嘅，咁佢升級咗個雙人床，但係咧佢就話，因為我就俾咗單人房嘅錢，所以係冇冷氣，佢唔俾我用遙控開冷氣，得風扇可以用。而家天黑咗6點幾，已經天黑咗。我而家打算出去揾嘢食，同埋去超市買啲嘢，諗住買聽日嘅早餐。呢條路係冇街燈，得啲車嘅燈，同埋冇行人路。不過而家打緊燈，揾緊路行。發現咗呢度有間 takeaway food 嘅嘢，想入去睇下。今日食2餸飯，咖喱同埋加呢一個植物，好似香蕉。我有牛肉同埋魚同埋雞。I have the local beef with rice。晚餐就喺我嘅住宿行過嚟呢個角落頭，大概3分鐘啦。咁我就嗌咗牛肉飯550蚊，即係等於37蚊港紙。有個碟頭飯超大啦，我覺得我食唔晒。今晚想早啲瞓覺，因為琴晚先瞓得4個鐘都冇，因為今朝勁早起身坐飛機。咁聽日已經9點開始 start 個行程。佢好重藥材味喎，我仲以為咖喱嚟嘅，但係佢好重八角味。諗住睇下超市有冇啲麵包之類，但係冇，所以諗住決定買呢度勁多人食嘅杯麵。或者朱古力可以喺路上車嗰度食，好叫麵包、椰子包。買完嘢就而家行返去酒店啦，因為勁黑條路黐線，一條街燈都冇。其實呢段路好短，但係有啲驚啊，超靜呢度。Hello， 喺阿魯阿圖嘅第2日，今日咧就裝咗個 day tour， 就會係6個鐘嘅，就會由9點開始 start 啦。咁就會 on the way 咧，就會去一條河嗰度睇。跟住咧之後咧就會去嗰個 Lungo 嗰個著名景點嗰度睇㗎啦。中間會包一個 lunch， 而家9點咧就要去酒店大堂嗰度集合，等佢 pick up 我。咁佢喺 tour guide 到咗啦，而家就上車，上呢架越野車。
Sorry, my name is Philip and I'll be looking after you today.
I'm the only one or?
Yeah, you're the only one today.
Oh.
It's not a busy season, like it's very quiet at the moment, so we don't get a lot of people, but our first stop will be at the cultural village. 得我一個 join 呢啲 tour， 啲冷門國家咧，同埋可能而家係淡季雨季，所以咧會比較靜少少，都係得我自己一個。This country is very famous in Hong Kong. You are from Australia or from Hong Kong?
I live in Australia. It's very close to here.
Flew from Brisbane, Sydney?
From Melbourne.
I heard Melbourne's winter very cold, huh?
It's very cold, yeah. Windy and raining.
I see.
There's no winter.
The coldest nighttime temperature is about 14 degrees. The daytime temperature is just the same. The difference will be mainly in the humidity.
而家落咗車，佢叫我去 meet up 一個街，跟住咧佢一陣就會接翻我。我喺呢度咧，而家係睇緊啲傳統嘅人嘅打扮啦，咁就會喺呢一個位咧就會走出嚟嚇我哋，都係想俾我哋睇下佢哋嘅 culture 咧。而家大家都喺度好期待緊睇下佢哋，住呢一班都係啲澳洲人。
Hello. They took away on your friends.
So it's my YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTube. Oh, I on me.
Is it live? Hello.
Oh no, it's not live.
Oh,
I will
okay.
put on YouTube.
She'll cut me out later. Sort it out later. Where are you from?
I'm from Hong Kong, but I live in Australia.
Okay. We're all from Australia.
Melbourne.
Melbourne, okay.
You
Cool.
guys from
Newcastle.
Oh, Newcastle.
North of Sydney.
Yeah, I know. I know where it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oi. Exactly. We bring peace.
That we select or collect is a golden web. Put a stick on top, look for the web, spin it around. If you're afraid of the spider, leave the spider alone. Because I believe in some place the spider is dangerous.
In Australia.
Set a trap, there is 2 broken stick here. The rope here in the middle, the other one on top of it. Simple.
呢個係捉野豬嘅工
Next thing you
具。
have to put some stick for your trigger.
Deep
Pig, come, smell the food, push his mouth, rest those stick, and then you got a pig.
Hapli pliman manusae, hapli pliman manusae. Haniman sarere sarere we hoae hoae hey sare. Haniman sarere sarere mai pinyaha tu shama pusha mai pinyaha.
Rasiwe tulimonga,
Hada tulimonga hinare si 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 si.
You can see there, he's walking.
Ami dore 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 mai. Hechi mango hechi mango. Malam 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 malam. Hai se lo awe awe. Awe awe.
So can you say hi to camera? It's my YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Nuwaita.
Noada. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Bye bye. 好，呢個民族風體驗嘅 tour 就完咗啦。頭先睇到佢哋表演佢哋各種樂器啊，同埋以前點樣求生嘅生活啊，點樣去捕獵啊，呢啲嘢所有都好有趣，好有原始生活啊。咁啦，而家呢，我哋就完咗，就會去下一個景點啦。而家到咗呢個布楞湖啊，呢個湖係真係超藍，但係佢啲水咧都幾深下，所以我都仲諗緊落唔落水。佢咧全部都已經游咗喺水中間㗎啦。佢有好多唔同嘅跳水位，好似一個幾好玩嘅水上樂園。而家換咗泳衣，揀咗一個淺少少嘅地方落水，就應該係淨係浸身嘅啦，即係腳跌到地咧。我係唔識得自救，我唔識得游翻上嚟，我唔識浮，游水勁渣，所以嚟到呢啲地方咧，我都唔係好識得玩。而家就係落去浸下水。啊，好凍啊！哇！我估我應該淨可以喺呢個範圍浸水。游完水要去換衫，咁就要同呢個湖講拜拜啦！真係好靚啊呢度。就到咗下一個景點，就係呢個 Eden River。咁樣呢，我就會喺呢度咁樣行落去睇下嗰條河啦。半個鐘之後呢，我就會喺後面嗰度食我嘅 barbecue lunch 噶啦。我就唔諗住再換衫游水，因為頭先同我講可以游水嘅，但係咧就有少少麻煩，因為我先換咗衫，所以而家呢，就諗住落去睇下影下相咁樣。行呢條樓梯落去就會睇到嗰條河。聽嗰啲聲 feel 到條河好激烈啊！啲水流好大聲啊！如果我真係游水，會俾啲水沖走。因為我平時啲大雨淋嗰啲地區，都係建議咧要噴咗蚊怕水嗰啲先至嚟，因為我係由今朝到而家係不停俾蚊針，得到成身都係。條路係勁多蜘蛛，頭先嗰隻蜘蛛已經黐咗我，因為佢啲蜘蛛網係喺路中間，而家好似 feel 到成身都俾嘢黐住咁樣。上車嘅時候咧有條蟲黐住我，好恐怖。嗰條河啦，哇！黐線水流勁激烈啊，點游水啊？上面嗰度好似玩激流咁樣。呢度好似啲陷阱，呢度有隻蜘蛛，唔知睇唔睇到？好恐怖！我頭先不停經過磚頭嘅時候，俾嘢擋住咗。見到嗰度有條吊橋，諗住行過去睇下。但係咧，沿途經過係超多蜘蛛網，仲有蜘蛛喺路中間擋咗個圍欄，所以頭先經過嘅時候，不停 feel 到啲好黐嘅嘢，跟住有喺條頸嗰啲位啦。唔知呢個位係咪太耐冇人行過咧？超多蜘蛛網，好恐怖啊！而家想上翻去。 呢度係啲前菜，買咗個Vanuatu嘅啤酒。
And you also have coleslaw salad here, and you have green bean salad, and you have papaya salad. So have steaks, chicken, and sausage.
Okay.
Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you so much. 佢頭先已經擺低咗3樣 veggie 啦、沙律啦，跟住咧有一塊牛油麵包。佢哋所謂嘅 barbecue lunch 咧，就係佢哋已經燒好咗嘅，有腸仔、雞髀同埋有個牛扒。佢呢啲嘢食都好西式，超甜嘅瓜。呢個啤酒都幾易入口。我食嘢附近周圍都係啲狗。
Are you here for?
5 days?
4 nights.
4 nights. So I'm leaving on Saturday.
Oh.
Fiji and Samoa.
Spending a few days in Fiji or just transiting?
Just transit. I've been Fiji.
I met my wife in Fiji.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So she's from Fiji?
We went to school, the same university. She was born and raised in the Solomon Islands.
Solomon Islands, is it close to you?
Very close, 1 hour flight.
Oh.
Yes.
就揸車翻去啦，今日嘅 tour 就完咗啦。出面係落緊雪，到咗啦，而家都仲係落狗屎。Thank you so much, bye。係2點，早咗1個鐘 finish，而家去酒店房瞓下覺，休息下陣再出去食下嘢先。而家又係出去食嘢嘅時間啦。而家咧7點已經係天黑晒。而家路上咧亦都係好多行人，當地人喺度行緊。我諗住去翻同一間餐廳，跟住再去同一間超市買少少嘢。The fish one with rice takeaway。我竟然發現佢哋有支冰。頭先喺超市買咗一個檸檬味嘅啤酒，跟住仲有呢一個魚加飯，就係我嘅晚餐啦。早晨喺阿魯阿圖嘅第3日嘅朝頭早，都唔知要肚屙咗6次，唔知咩事，我懷疑係飲咗呢度嘅水。所以咧，而家要去出去買啲支裝水，但而家暫時冇唔舒服嘅，只係有肚屙，所以今日係遲咗出門。而家已經係10點，出去買啲嘢食，買咗支裝水，跟住就會去博物館嗰度。原來我酒店對面係一間學校嚟㗎，見到佢哋入面喺度小朋友喺度 playground 嗰度玩緊。今日天氣好好啊，超級天晴。買咗呢一個 roti meat， 呢個叫 meatball， 好似冬甩咁樣嘅肉波，好扎實麵粉嘅冬甩。呢個 meatball 咧入面好似係冇 meat 嘅，跟住呢個就係嗰個 roti meat 咖喱餡咁樣，成個都黃色，食到薯仔味。而家食到啲肉。我到咗呢個妙思人啦，而家咧就入去。入場費係1500蚊一個人，星期1至5同6都會有開。黐線，入面係一滴風都冇，冇風扇冇冷氣，依家已經流晒汗。個場大概就係呢個範圍左右啦。個博物館咧會有一啲佢哋自己嘅手工製品啦，你睇到佢哋以前嘅人原住民嘅一啲頭飾啦，以前動物啲標本，佢哋以前會玩嘅樂器啦，呢幾個石像好有型啊，好巨大。佢哋嘅出海捕魚嘅船，佢哋有勁多用木雕成嘅嘢，佢哋以前應該會喺入面瞓，又係令我諗起啲卡索韋電影場景。博物館咧大概用咗15分鐘就參觀完啦，因為入面太焗，冇乜心機想睇佢嗰啲講解。跟住博物館對出咧，呢度就有一個 market， 你可以順便行下。有賣衫嘅，賣嗰啲自己整嘅袋啊，同埋啲民族嘢，用呢啲自己製品。呢個咩嚟㗎？呢個係氹小朋友開心嘅嘢。帶咗個磁石，仲買咗對耳環，先買咗一啲奇怪公仔做手信，好搞笑啊！呢一啲樣。而家喺酒店房休息緊，由今朝到而家肚屙咗8次，所以頭先去咗買支裝水，唔係好彩有帶止瀉藥，唔知係食錯嘢定係飲錯水。而家就喺酒店房休息，同埋頭先出去行嘅時候可能太熱，開始有啲頭痛，所以咧嚟呢啲咁嘅地方咧，都係買支裝水咯，同埋帶定啲平安藥咧係最穩陣嘅。今日嘅下晝就係咁樣喺酒店房度休息啦。早晨，今日喺阿魯阿圖嘅第4日，尋日12點返到酒店，即刻瞓低咗，係超級辛苦，完全冇胃口，咪 keep 住屙咗成11次。 跟住食咗紫石係好啲嘅，但係琴晚夜晚餐係完全冇胃口食，冇食到，成身開始發冷，唔知咩事，總之係好似發燒咁樣，跟住即刻瞓覺。琴日瞓足咗成日，由2點幾開始食咗少少嘢，之後就瞓到今朝，咁而家好翻好多。琴日係完全成身冇力，連坐都冇力，好帶啲電解質嘅嘢，有可能你會肚屙，要飲翻啲電解質補充翻下。今日都係冇行程嘅，因為我諗住都係啱啱好翻 relax 下，所以而家諗住係行去郵局寄 postcard 啦，咁沿途睇下風景。哇！阿羅亞圖係經常落太陽雨，而家落緊雨，但係超晚太陽。而家差唔多行到郵局，一路行嗰啲司機會同我打招呼。行咗半個鐘，終於俾我揾到 post office 啦！見勁多人排隊排到出門口。Say hi to camera. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. 阿圖啲人都真係好熱情，佢哋好中意對住啲鏡頭。頭先我度影緊相啦，跟住其他人咧都話要影相，跟住啲司機咧都話我要攝鏡，逼我開我，跟住叫我幫佢哋影相。喺酒店房休息咗一陣，而家下晝4點半，就諗住行去海邊。海邊有個 handcraft market 可以行下，跟住就諗住去海邊一啲酒吧啊或者餐廳嗰度，我哋喺度食住嘢睇日落。Google 寫住上面係5點半閂㗎，但係而家係未夠5點半就閂咗咯。今日太多雲啦，所以太陽就喺嗰度。今日應該睇唔到好靚嘅日落。今日就會係我最後一晚享受阿魯亞圖嘅夜晚啦。間海邊一間餐廳超有 feel， 海邊就喺沙灘邊。係，佢有海邊呢一啲位，揀咗呢一張台嚟坐，佢就喺海邊，超有 feel。啱啱坐低咗 order 咗一杯 cocktail 同個 fish curry， 佢備咗呢一個好有 feel、好有民族風情嘅毛巾同埋個雜花喺度，仲幫我點埋蠟燭，勁有 feel 啊呢度。即今日天氣唔好，但如果唔係咁樣睇住個日落咧，呢一間餐廳其實咁樣睇係幾有 feel。Thank you。Thanks。好有小島風情 feel。我嘅 fish curry 到咗啦，呢個嘅 cocktail， 呢個係 pineapple 加 coconut 嘅加 vodka 嘅一個 cocktail。頭先啱啱落雨，本身坐呢個位，跟住搬咗入嚟坐。試下呢一杯 cocktail 先。個酒精味幾重下，但係佢幾有亞熱帶風情，個椰子味好重，菠蘿味都幾出。呢個嘢飲好啱呢一個國風情 feel。有呢個 fish curry 啊，飯，仲有個椰子菠蘿沙律，跟住仲有呢一個醬，佢酸酸地鹹鹹地，好似話梅衝擊味蕾嘅味道。啊，佢有少少豬腳薑啊！呢個菠蘿攞啲黑草去醃嗰個好特別喎，試下佢呢個菠蘿沙律先。個椰絲好正，係酸酸地喎。食咖喱魚飯咧，但係冇羹啦，兜同餐。個魚好滑，入口即溶嘅魚好正。個咖喱味唔會太辣，即係啱啱好個辣度，好香口嗰個咖喱。哇！坐喺呢一個位超正，我而家係對住個海，勁有 feel。如果今日有日落咧，真係 perfect。有埋日落咧，呢個位係勁浪漫，好似啲情侶拍拖聖地。但係我而家係自己一個，但我覺得我享受到一個人嘅浪漫。一個人嘅浪漫咧，就係可以好簡單食一個好好食嘅嘢，對住個海，跟住飲杯 cocktail，一個人嘅浪漫。而家咁靜，夜媽媽咁樣行返去，其實我唔係講笑，真係有啲驚。唔知呢個國家夜晚安唔安全？但係暫時呢條路係一個人影都冇，行咗呢條奪命樓梯，仲有幾個路口先至會多啲人，暫時都仲係覺得安全。 早晨喺阿魯阿圖最後一日都係落毛雨嘅，今日會係下晝4點嘅飛機，所以而家都仲有朝頭早嘅時間，住都係行下啲 local market， 買咗個早餐，行翻琴日未閂咗門嘅 handcraft market， 哇落雨落得幾大下，而家就行去海邊。呢個 handcraft market 都係冇開，都唔知幾時開，所以咧今日又係冇 market 行。頭先啱啱落完雨，而家12點，超天晴超藍，跟住琴日係冇睇到原來個海係超清，睇到個海底啊！而家已經到咗阿魯阿圖嘅機場啦，咁就會準備飛去下一個國家Samoa。今次嘅旅程真係美中不足，因為有2日都係唔舒服，同埋冇去到啲島仔喎。希望下次嚟嗰陣可以有機會去啲島仔，同埋千祈唔好水土不服啦。我哋下個國家再見，拜拜。